It's Christmas season. We give gifts and we receive gifts. But here's why you should never accept a gift from a stranger. Do you want to know why? Then listen carefully to the story shared by Jessica. Last Christmas, Jessica and her boyfriend Rocky were spending the holidays together in Goa. Rocky had flown in from Oman just to be with her. They were happy, everything felt perfect. Then, on Christmas night, Jessica hosted a small party at her house. Her friends, her family, laughter, music, and a secret Santa game. Everyone brought random gifts, no names, no clues, and Rocky did not know anyone there except Jessica. When it was time to open gifts, Rocky received a small box. Inside was a keychain. It had a strange shape, twisted, uneven, almost uncomfortable to look at. Rocky did not think much of it. He smiled, put the keychain in his pocket, and they enjoyed the night. But from the very next day, things changed. Jessica and Rocky started fighting for no reason. Small arguments turned ugly. Their Christmas felt heavy, and their New Year's was worse. Within weeks, they broke up. Both of them said it was their worst phase of their life, and neither of them could clearly explain why it ended. After a couple of months, Jessica started dating someone new, a guy from Goa. At first, she was obsessed with him, until she noticed something strange. Inside his house, she saw multiple keychains, all of them oddly shaped, extremely similar to the one Rocky had received that Christmas night. That's when her stomach dropped. She suddenly remembered the gift, the secret Santa, the stranger. Jessica felt something was wrong. So she called Rocky after months and she asked him, "Do you still have the keychain?" And then Rocky said yes. Jessica told him, "Please throw it away. Don't ask why." When Rocky finally threw it out, something terrifying happened. All the anger disappeared, and both of them could not even remember why they hated each other. Rocky flew back to Goa to meet Jessica, and that's when they found out the truth. Her new boyfriend had practiced black magic. The keychain was never a gift, it was a curse. That Christmas gift destroyed their relationship. So remember this, not every gift comes with love. Some are meant to break you. Thank you and follow for more. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.